Good evening, everyone. So today we are starting with the topic called tenses. Right. And by the way, I've just removed two people who had put their videos on. So make sure that you don't even by mistake. All right, everyone. So we are in tenses and we already know that the thing that you have right in front of you on the screen, you see that there is something called future, present, and past, and these are all tenses. Right. We are aware about all of this. But my question to all of you is, how many types of tenses do we have? So you can see on your screen, we have three types of tenses: present, past, and future, right? But is that the true number? How many tenses do we have? Do we have just three? Put it in the chat. Let me see. No. How many total number of tenses do we have? Yes, yes. The students who have attended the demo, they remember because they were attentive. Some people say eight. Unfortunately, eight is the wrong number. Nine is also the wrong number. The right number is 12. We in totality have 12 tenses, right? So what are those 12 tenses is what I want to know. So raise your hands if you want to answer those 12 tenses. Raise your hands. Okay, Piyush Shane from Ghatkopar, I'm unmuting you. Hi, Piyush.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Piyush. Can you please name the tenses, the 12 tenses?
Yeah, sir. First of all, sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, sir, can I start?
Yes, please.
Simple past.
Mhm.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, I'm hearing, I'm listening to you.
Simple past, simple present, simple future.
Yeah, these are three. These are just three. Excuse me. I think we've lost Piyush's connection. We will go with Swayam Panchal from Vikroli. Hi, Swayam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swayam. So I already got the answer for simple present, simple past, and simple future. Can you tell me the other nine remaining sentences, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So, past continuous tense, present continuous tense, future continuous tense,
right. That
past.
makes it six. Hmm.
So, what?
Yeah, that makes it six tenses. We have six more. Come on, Age.
Past perfect tense, present perfect tense, future perfect tense, past
Great.
perfect continuous tense, present
Mhm.
perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense.
Very good, Swayam. Very good. Thank you so much, Swayam.
Welcome, sir.
Right. So I think Swayam's answer was absolutely flawless. He went in a proper flow that showed that he knows his tenses. All right. So as Swayam has rightly said that we have simple present, past, simple present, simple past, and simple future. Then we have continuous present, continuous past, and continuous future. Then we have perfect present, perfect past, perfect future. And then we have present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. In short, each tense that you see on the screen, present, past, and future, has four subtypes. Okay, four subtypes. So here are the four subtypes. The first one is simple tense. So how do you define a simple tense? A simple tense is just an action. It just states an action. It will not tell you when did the action begin. It will not tell you whether the action is still on or whether it is complete. It will not tell you all of that. Piyush, no problems, buddy. It happens because of some internet connection, but your answer initially was correct. So do not worry about that. I have already mentioned you will not write it, Yashika. मैंने बोला है आपको आप अभी नहीं लिखेंगे. अगर आपने डेमो अटेंड किया है तो आपने ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए. और अगर आपने तभी भी नहीं लिखा था, so today right now you will not write anything. You will write all of this as a revision. Once the lecture is uploaded, you will go to YouTube and watch this lecture again, and that is when you will write everything that you see on the screen. I think I'm extremely clear about this now. All right. So a simple tense will just state an action. It will not tell you whether the action is still going on. It will not tell you anything about the beginning of the action कि कभी शुरू हुआ था, and it will not tell you anything about the present condition of the action. It will just state an action. Okay. Then we go to the continuous tense. So continuous भी तीनों भी tenses का एक part है. Here the action is going on. Action चालू होगी. आपको समझ में आएगा. You will be able to make out that the action is on, whether in the present, in the past, or in the future. But you will realize that the action is on. Now the word perfect. When do you call something perfect? When something is complete. When something is finished. And when you see the action is completed, that's when you understand that it's perfect tense, and I will tell you how to identify that as well. And then you have perfect continuous tense, which is a mixture of continuous and perfect. Here the action has started earlier, पहले action शुरू हो चुकी है, लेकिन अब तक खत्म नहीं हुई, अभी भी on ही है. Okay. Now I will tell you certain hints. I will give you certain hints that will help you differentiate these four tenses. Okay. Students वैसे बड़ा जो simple tense होता है ना, उसको समझना बड़ा आसान होता है students के लिए. But when it comes to continuous perfect and perfect continuous, that's where students get a little confused. Okay. So in a simple tense, you will find just one finite verb, and simple tense is very simple to understand. Okay. So now I will give you an example. You will tell me whether this is simple present, simple past, or simple future. Okay. You will write it in the chat and answer. So the question is, I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. What tense is it, everyone? This is simple present tense. This is simple present tense. Okay, my next question. He has a pet dog. He has a pet dog. He has a pet dog. I see certain people writing simple past or perfect tense. That is not correct. Have and has both are used in the present tense verb. Both are used in the present tense as present tense verbs. So this is also going to be simple present. Have or has हमेशा simple present में आते हैं. Okay, my next question. He took my umbrella. He took my umbrella. He took my umbrella. What tense is it? This is simple past. Yes, this is simple past. All right. And if I say, I will drive home tomorrow. I will drive home tomorrow. This is simple future tense. Right, this is simple future tense. Some students are asking me which account to message me in. You can message me in the, you can message to the Adhyayan Tutorials account, which you can see is unmute right now. जिससे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उसे भेजेंगे तो मैं read कर सकता हूँ. Do not send on the account which has my name. All right. Let us see how do we identify the continuous tense. What ingredients do we have in the continuous tense? So guys, here you will always see am, is, are, was, were, and will be. So अगर am is are है तो कौन सा tense है? Present, past, future. अगर am is are है तो कौन सा tense है? Present, past, future. Present है. अगर was, were है, then what tense is it? If it's was, were. If it's was, were, what tense is it? Past, past, past. And if it is will be or shall be, then what tense is it? Future. Right. So am is are रहेगा, was, were रहेगा, will be रहेगा. साथ में there will be a verb plus ing. Plus ing. All right. Let us go to the next one. We have, has, had plus past participle plus we plus ed, en, nnt. All right. अब ये जो have, has, had है आपने पहले already we've seen that we can use it in the simple tense. But now understand, if have, has, had, out of these three, if you have any one verb in a sentence जो अकेला है, पूरे sentence में अकेला verb है, तो वो रहने वाला है आपका simple tense. But अगर आपके पास have, has, had प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है यानी एक और वर्ब है तो हम उसको परफेक्ट टेंस में यूज करेंगे. ओके, एंड देन वी हैव हैज हैड प्लस बिन प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. तो परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में हम परफेक्ट का हैव हैज हैड लेते हैं, कंटिन्यूस का वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी लेते हैं और परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस का खुद का बिन लेते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी योर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. Now, there are certain things that we are supposed to understand, okay? But before that, let us just revise the 12 tenses that we have. So we have simple present, simple past, simple future. We have present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. We have present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. And then we have present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. By the way, there is another name for continuous tense. What is that particular term? What is another term used for continuous tense? Come on. What is another term used for continuous tense? Yes, very good. It's called progressive tense. So never get confused. कभी भी अगर exam में आया progressive tense, do understand it is continuous tense and nothing else. So students, now you will see that we are having a look at 4 kinds of verbs. So everyone please understand that हर एक verb का 4 type होता है. Okay, हर एक verb का 4 types होता है. We have 4 types of verbs. All right. So you can see the first form of verb is the present tense form of the verb. The second form of verb is the past tense. The third is past participle. And the fourth is present participle. Right? अब जो present tense form है verb का उसको हम V1 बोलते हैं. Okay, that's called V1. The past tense form of the verb is called V2. The past participle form, if you remember, ये वही form है that we are going to use in the perfect tenses. The past participle form, that is V3, and the present participle is ing. तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो हम V3 का जो फॉर्म है वो हम perfect tense में यूज करेंगे और जो ing फॉर्म है वो हम continuous tense में यूज करेंगे. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, the present tense form is mr. Is mr का past tense form becomes was were. The same verb का past participle is been and the present participle is being. Okay, then we come to have and has. Have and has in the present tense. The same verb becomes had in the past tense. It stays had in the past participle and becomes having in the present participle. Do does in the present tense. Do does becomes did in the past tense. Done in the past participle form and doing in the present participle form. Play or plays in the V1 form. The same word becomes played in V2, stays played in V3 and becomes playing in ing. So the word drive becomes drives or drive in present tense, drove in past tense, driven in past participle, and driving in the present participle. Burn or burns in present tense, burned in the past tense, burned in the present participle, burning in the burnt in the past participle, burning in the present participle. Go or goes in the present tense, went in the past tense, gone in the past participle form and going in the present participle form. Cut or cuts in the present tense, stays cut in the past tense, stays cut in the past participle, but becomes cutting in the present participle. Come or comes in the present tense, came in the past tense, come in the past participle and coming in the present participle. Now I have a question for you. So there is a question that someone has asked me, what is V? Beta V matlab verb. V1 matlab verb 1, V2 matlab verb 2, V3 matlab verb 3 and ing is verb plus ing. That is absolutely simple to understand. Okay, now I will tell you a question. I will ask you a question now. So the verb is write or writes, W-R-I-T, write or writes. ये चारों जो verb के फॉर्म है उसमें से कौन से फॉर्म में आएगा? V1, V2, V3 और V4? W-R-I-T-E or W-R-I-T-E as writes. Which form of verb is it? Is it V1? Is it V2? Is it V3? Is it V4? V4. Is it V1? Okay, it is V1. Perfect. What is the V2 form of write? What is the V2 form of write? Write का V2 form क्या है? It is wrote. W-R-O-T-E, wrote. What is the V3 form of write and wrote? What is the V3 form of write and wrote? Yes, it is written. The V3 form is written. The V3 form is written. And what is the ing form of write, wrote, and written? The ing form is writing. The ing form is writing. All right. Okay. I think we have understood this. All right. Okay. I will ask you another question. The verb is sing or sings. What form is it? V1, V2, V3, ing. Sing or sings? Sing or sings. It's V1. That's great. What is the V2 form of sing? V2 form of sing. It is sang. S-A-N-G. It is sang. What is the V3 form of sing? What is the V3 form of sing? The V3 form is sung. S-U-N-G. Sung. And what is the ing form of it? The ing form is singing. So I think we are absolutely clear with it, everyone. So quickly tell me, what is the V1 form? The V1 form is the present tense. Okay, the V1 form is the present tense. What is the V2 form of the verb? The V2 form is the past tense form of the verb. The V3 form is the past participle and the ing is present participle. The reason why I am explaining all of these things to you in detail is because हम जब अभी tenses के formulae करेंगे तब formulae में आपको V1, V2, V3 and ing दिया रहेगा. So अगर आपको ये formulae के जो abbreviations है अगर आपको उसका मतलब मालूम है, so it will be easier for you to understand what kind of a verb we are talking about. All right, let us continue. Now we go to all the simple tenses. So simple present, simple past, and simple future. So the formula for simple present tense is going to be subject plus V1 or V1 bracket में S. V1 bracket में S काफी लोग मुझे अभी तक पूछ रहे हैं. I thought it's common sense and everyone will understand, but no problems. I will tell you. जैसे कि एक ही verb है go और अगर मैंने उसका एक और present tense form बना तो वो goes भी हो सकता है. तो इसके लिए S. Do और does होता है. Have और has होता है. Come या comes होता है. ओके सो ऐसे सारे वर्ब्स के लिए एस होता है तो एस V1 या V1 प्लस एस दोनों प्रेजेंट टेंस में आते हैं. ऑलराइट सो द पास्ट टेंस फॉर्मूला इज गोइंग टू बी सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 यानी कि वर्ब का पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म. एंड फ्यूचर टेंस में वी विल ऑलवेज ऐड सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल. फ्यूचर में हमेशा विल शैल रहेगा और V1 यानी प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म. ओके सो द क्वेश्चन हियर इज, सो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं एवरीवन, अगर योर प्रोनाउन इज आई यू वी दे तो you will use the V1 form. If it is he, she, it, you will use V1 plus S. So if I say I write a letter, तो write is V1. अगर मैं बोलूँ he, तो he writes a letter आ जाएगा या she writes a letter आ जाएगा. That is why it's there. So he writes और अगर I रहेगा तो I write. Subject plus V2 हो जाएगा he wrote. And subject plus will या shall plus V1 हो जाएगा he will write. Okay, he will write. Now we will go to the next type, continuous tense. Once again, we have present, past, and future. The formula is subject plus am is are plus ing. Present tense में हमेशा am is are plus ing आएगा. Quickly tell me in the chat what would the answer for this one be. हमने से पहले he writes लिखा, he wrote लिखा, he will write लिखा. अब इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Come on, quickly tell me in the chat. What will be used for this one? पूरा आंसर चाहिए मुझे. Give me the entire answer. He is writing. He is writing. Okay, what if I say use the subject I? Use the subject I. अगर I use करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? I am writing. और अगर they use किया तो what if I use they? They use किया तो they are writing. All right. So see, I तो am, he, she, it तो is, you, we, they तो are. Let's go to the next one. Subject plus was, were plus ing. Quickly tell me what will the answer be for this one. If I use I, he, she, it, we'll use was. So he was writing, I was writing, she was writing, he was writing. एंड इफ आई यूज यू वी दे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? यू वी दे यूज करेंगे तो you were writing, they were writing, and we were writing. Yes. Let's go to this one. Subject plus will, shall plus be plus ing. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? I will be writing, or he will be writing, or they will be writing, or she will be writing. This is what it's gonna be. Okay. Then let's go to perfect tense. Subject plus have as plus V3. Guys, do you remember what is V3? V3 को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What is V3? What is V3? Quickly tell me in the chat. What is V3? V3 is past participle. Yes. There is a student continuously messaging me why there is no future participle. All right. So we don't have future participle because it is grammatically incorrect. So yes, everyone, you can see this. Tell me what will the answer be for this one. I, you, we, they have written a letter. He, she, it has written a letter. All right. Then subject plus had plus V3 तो हो जाएगा he had written a letter, and future will be he will have written a letter. All right. We'll now move forward to the perfect continuous tenses, present, past, and future. Subject plus have as plus been plus ing. So you can tell me the answer, everyone. If I use he, she, it, तो आएगा he has been writing, she has been writing, or it has been writing. If I use I, you, we, they, तो answer होगा I have been writing, you have been writing, we have been writing, and they have been writing. Let's go to the past tense. The answer is already here. He had been writing, she had been writing, you had been writing, they had been writing. इसमें हमेशा had ही आएगा, no matter what subject you use. Okay, what do we have for future perfect continuous? Come on, quickly answer this one. He will have been writing, they will have been writing, she will have been writing. Right, everyone. Now let us see certain sentences. ये वापस से guys वही type का एक है. If you've seen, मैंने पहले आपको बताया simple tenses का अलग-अलग type. This is the same thing but in a different format. So here you have subject plus verb, V1 plus V or V1S. वैसा ही the example is your blue eyes hypnotize. गाना तो आपने सुना ही रहेगा. Blue eyes hypnotize the right? So this is what it is. I want students to raise their hands, okay, and give me the answer for the other tenses. Raise your hands. Harshit Patel from Ghatkopar. Good afternoon. Can you hear me, Harshit? Hello, Harshit. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I am not able to connect with Harshit. We will go with Shruti. Okay, हाथ नीचे कर दिया श्रुति ने. Or we go with Tanvi Rege from DN Nagar. Hi, Tanvi.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi. Can you tell me, beta, what will the answer be for simple past?
Yes. Your blue eyes were hypnotized.
अच्छा तन्वी, मेरे को बात बताओ, अपना जो फॉर्मूला आपको सामने दिख रहा है उसमें डू वी हैव वॉज वर?
No.
हाँ, तो वॉज वर नहीं आएगा ना बेटा. तो
Yes.
हिप्नोटाइज का सिर्फ आपको पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म करना है. तो
Your
सब्जेक्ट रहेगा. हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए.
your blue eyes hypnotized.
हाँ, दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर. तन्वी, वुड यू वांट टू आंसर सिंपल फ्यूचर एज वेल?
Yes, I will try.
Sure, Tanvi. The formula is in front of you. बराबर formula देखकर जो word बोले हैं वो use करके बताइए.
Your blue eyes will hypnotize.
That is perfect, Tanvi. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself.
Thank you.
Good answer. All right, everyone, raise your hands if you want to answer the next one. All right. We will go with Palak from Ville Parle. Hi, Palak.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Palak, I can hear you. Beta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Palak. So, Palak, look at the formula very properly and then वही words use करके answer बनाइए बेटा.
Okay, sir. Your blue eyes are hypnotized.
Are hypnotize आएगा बेटा, ing दिख रहा है आपको वहाँ पर?
Are hypnotizing.
हाँ,
Sorry.
blue eyes are hypnotizing. By the way, why didn't you use is over here? R क्यों use किया?
क्योंकि सर is नहीं आएगा.
क्योंकि उसको दो आँख है ना बेटा, कहानी नहीं है वो. है कि
हाँ.
नहीं?
हाँ,
Right.
sir.
All right. Would you want to try continuous past?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at the formula properly and answer.
Your blue eyes were hypnotizing.
Very good. Why did you use were over here?
Because it is she has maybe I don't know, sir.
बेटा because she has two eyes ना, दो आंखें हैं, plural है. तो
हाँ.
सही रहेगा, एक ही आंख रहती तो बहुत आता, दो आंखें हैं तो अच्छा है ना बेटा.
हाँ,
All right.
sir.
Try this one please. Look at the formula and try, okay?
Okay, sir. Your blue eyes will be hypnotizing.
That is absolutely perfect. Thank you so much, Palak.
Come, sir.
All right, so we have been getting some good answers. Raise your hands if you want to answer the next one. I have so many hands up. I ask you to forgive me in advance if you don't get a chance. Honey Tolani from Devidayal.
Hello, sir.
Honey. Honey. Hi, honey.
Hello, sir.
Yes, honey. Are you ready, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go for it.
Your blue eyes
Yes.
have hypnotized.
That is absolutely perfect, honey. Honey, do you know any reason why didn't you use has or have क्यों use किया हमने?
सर क्योंकि उसके बाद दो आंखें हैं ना.
Ah, perfect. Good. Okay, honey. You'll try this one, honey?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Your blue eyes had hypnotized.
That is absolutely perfect, honey. Good job. And the last one.
Your blue eyes will hypnotize.
Honey, are you missing out on a verb over here? एक word दिख रहा है देखो जो miss कर रहे हो आप.
Will have hypnotized.
Ah, that is correct. Your blue eyes will have hypnotized. That's good, honey. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. That was good answer.
Welcome, sir.
All right, then let me see if I have someone else. The last one, Keenan Fernandez from JB Nagar. Hi, Keenan.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Keenan, am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes, sir.
What does your name mean?
So what?
What is the meaning of your name?
Sir, it's said to be wise.
Are you wise?
Yes, sir.
All right, then let us try this one. Come on.
Your blue eyes have been hypnotizing.
All right. Why didn't you use has?
Sir, because he has two eyes.
Perfect. All right. Let's go for this one, Mr. Wiseman.
Uh, Your blue eyes had been hypnotizing.
That is great. And the last one. This will make you the wisest of all, Kenan.
Your blue eyes will have been hypnotizing.
That is absolutely perfect. That's a good job, Keenan. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Let me admit this to all of you. I have so many people who put their hands up. And the people who are not getting a chance to answer, what I love about you people is that you people are still answering me on the chat. And trust me, it's only when, a teacher gets students like you who are so energetic, so willing to learn, so willing to answer, that shows that you people do not have any fear. आपको डर नहीं है कि मेरा आंसर गलत हुआ तो क्या हो गया. And that is what we want, and that is a new generation. I love this thing about you. Please be like this. Okay, continue to be fearless. Do not fear answering ever, not just in my class, but in any other class. Keep up your enthusiasm and keep making us good teachers. All right. Good job, everyone. I'm really proud of you. Really proud of you. Okay, everyone. So now you can see, हम लोग अब यहाँ पर कुछ करने वाले हैं. We are going to do some activities here. You're supposed to identify the verb and write the tense. Okay, ये भी अभी आप लिखेंगे नहीं. Right now, you will just raise your hands to answer. Okay, you will just raise your hands to answer, and this is your question. So everyone, you can see the question is, identify the verb and state its tense. कौन से verbs हैं पूरे sentence में? You may have multiple verbs. पहचानिए verbs कौन से, उसका tense क्या है बताइए. And I will start choosing people. I haven't chose anyone from the Saidham Center, and I have Jash Mehta from Saidham. Hi, Jash.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Jash. So just tell me what are the verbs. पहले मुझे पूरे sentence में जितने भी verbs आपको दिख रहे हैं बताइए मुझे.
Take,
Okay.
waste.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't भी verb हो सकता है बेटा. Don't
No, sir.
हो सकता है बेटा. Do, does, did, don't, doesn't, ये सब verbs होते हैं. So you can say don't take together is one verb. Okay. There is another verb also, Jash. He के बाजू में आपको दिख रहा है ll.
Yes, sir.
वो will होता
He
है.
will.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now you just tell me don't take का tense क्या रहेगा?
Simple present tense.
That is absolutely perfect, Josh. That's good. And he will waste. Will waste का tense क्या रहेगा?
Simple future.
That is absolutely perfect. And that's a good job, Josh. Good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So अब साइधाम से भी हो गया. Let me see which center I have still not. Okay, Takshila. Sai Savant.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Sai.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Yeah, Sai, tell me the verbs that you see in this sentence.
Googled.
Are you sure there's no other word? No other
Had
word?
Googled. Had Googled.
Had Googled, yes. So if I tell you the formula, if this is the formula, subject plus had plus V3, what tense is it then?
Past perfect tense.
That is absolutely perfect, Sai. Good job. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
All right. Then we will go with, let's go with Nilay from Ghatkopar. Hi, Nilay.
Hello, sir.
Nilay, I hope your video is not on today.
No, it was turned on by mistake yesterday.
I know, I'm sure. But then what happens, Nilay, is that अगर ऐसा ही होता रहा तो कैसा ना, फिर everyone will get this reason. So, but I had no other option but to put you out because that's the rule now, right?
Okay, sir.
No problem, Nilay. Come on, Nilay. Tell me the answer, beta. Verbs क्या क्या है?
Didn't.
Yes, that's right. Didn't के बाद एक और verb आता है, Nilay.
Tell.
हाँ, didn't tell. All right, didn't tell, right? What do you think? If you look at this formula, subject plus V2.
Didn't tell. Simple past.
Yes, that is absolutely perfect, Nile. Thank you so much. Good job, buddy. Okay, we got this one. Now I am playing something a little more advanced. Okay, let us go to. यार चेंबूर से कोई भी हाथ ही ऊपर नहीं कर रहा. हाँ, मिल गया. सोनल from चेंबूर. Hi, Sonal.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sonal. Are you ready, Sonal? Tell me the verbs, please.
I'm playing.
Am playing, and if this is the formula, what do you think is the answer then?
Present continuous tense.
That is absolutely perfect, and you took no time to answer this. That's great, Sonal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, the next one. I have arranged it all. Let us go. Let us go with Vikroli. Meet Parmar. Hi, Meet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Meet. Tell me the verbs, please.
Have arranged.
Wow, you took no time to answer this. If this is the formula, Meet, what do you think can the answer be?
Simple past.
That is not correct. This is going to be present perfect tense. Why? Because you can see subject plus have as plus V3. बेटा V3 जो होता है ना वो हमेशा perfect tense में आता है. Right? We cannot have
Yes.
V3 in any other tense. Okay, so whenever you see V3, so understand this is always going to be perfect tense, but no problems. That's all right. Good job, Meet.
Thank you, sir.
Come on, let's go for the next one. We will go with Parv Chheda from DN Nagar. Yes, Parv, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Parv, थोड़ा जोर से बोलना बेटा, आवाज थोड़ा कम आ रहा है आपका.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, that's perfect. Okay, Parv, tell me what are the verbs that you see?
A rainbow colors.
Rainbow is a noun, ना Parv? सिर्फ verb चाहिए बेटा एक.
Entire sky, entire sky.
ना बेटा, rainbow and entire sky दोनों verbs है. Colors, sorry, a noun है. Colors जो है वो verb है. Right? So we have just one verb in a sentence. So ये formula देख के क्या लग रहा है बेटा? Tense क्या रहेगा?
Past continuous tense.
बेटा इसमें किधर भी ing है क्या?
No.
तो फिर और V1 verb कौन सा tense का रहता है? V1 is always going to be present tense बेटा. So वो हिसाब से ये simple present tense होता है. Okay?
Simple present tense.
Yeah, no problem. चलिए. All right, let's go to the next one. Let me see who will answer this one. Okay. Let us go with Saidham Sudhanshu. Hi, Sudhanshu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sudhanshu. Tell me the verbs over here, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sudhanshu. Hi.
Were shining.
Were shining. और भी है.
Had lost.
हाँ. So were shining का tense क्या है?
Continue.
हाँ, it is
Past-
continuous, but कौन सा?
Past
हाँ,
continuous.
it's past continuous. And what do you think is had lost
No.
का tense? V3 है. V3 मतलब मैंने अभी बताया था. V3 मतलब हमेशा क्या रहेगा?
Perfect.
हाँ, और had है मतलब कौन सा?
Past
Present, past,
perfect.
future. Past perfect. That is the correct answer. All right. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. Okay. Let's go with Jahnavish from JB Nagar. Jahnavish, can you hear me? Hi.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah, Jahnavish, tell me what are the verbs that you see?
Sir, I do.
Okay, do, okay. एक और है
Me.
बेटा मी तो प्रोनाउन होता है ना लीव्स इज अनदर वर्ब
Leaves.
तो डू का टेंस क्या आएगा
Sir, simple present tense.
दैट इज गुड एंड लीव्स का टेंस क्या आएगा बेटा
Simple present tense. Same,
दैट
sir.
इज गुड Jahnavish, thank you so much. All right, we have 2 more sentences to go. We go with Ghatkopar Niti Panchal. Hi Niti. Niti Panchal, can you hear me Niti? Niti, I can
Yes,
hear
sir.
everything around you but not your voice. Yes Niti, I can hear you now. Yeah Niti, tell me the verbs, क्या verbs दिख रहा है बेटा इधर?
Have been seeing
Have been seeing, okay. क्या
and
tense आएगा
fighting.
इसका? And fighting, okay. क्या आएगा इसका बेटा? Perfect का have as है, continuous का ing है. Niti, are you there? Okay, I think Niti has got disconnected. Let's go with Yashika Pujari from DN Nagar. Yashika, can you hear me? Yashika, can you hear me? Okay, Yashika का भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Let's go with Royce Anthony from Vikroli. Hi, Royce. Royce, can you hear me? Okay, then we go with Mrunal Wag from Ville Parle. Hi, Mrunal.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Mrunal, tell me what is the answer to this question?
Sir, have been seeing and fighting. So,
Right.
have been seeing is present perfect continuous tense.
Okay, fighting बेटा इधर अलग से verb नहीं है because fighting के पहले देखो आप am is are was were नहीं है, right?
Yes.
हाँ, so we have just one, but that is correct answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
sir.
the last question for the day. Yashika, I had unmuted you बेटा, but then आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा था. Okay, let us go with Daniel from Takshila. Daniel, hi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Daniel, tell me what are the verbs that you see?
So, was watching and approached.
That's perfect. Was watching का tense क्या आएगा?
So, was watching
Present perfect tense.
बेटा कोई और जो भी है please mute करो खुद को.
the past continuous tense.
Yes, this is going to be past continuous tense. And what is the verb approached?
Approached.
Subject plus V2 बेटा.
To
सबसे इजी वाला बेटा ये.
simple past.
हाँ, simple past. All right, thank you so much, Daniel.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, everyone. So with this, we are done with our lecture today. Okay. So everyone, I will see you in the next class. I think this was absolutely clear. Your homework is going to be, you will revisit the video of the lecture once it is uploaded and write every single thing that is mentioned in the PPT, including the last exercise that we've done. Okay, everyone, please take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.